Hello, welcome to JOFF TV blog. Lesson proper. Today we will discuss about aquaculture and fish capture. Aquaculture, often referred to as aquafarming, is the controlled process of cultivating aquatic organisms, especially for human consumption. It's an industry that involves the breeding, rearing, and harvesting of plants and animals in all types of water environments, including ponds, rivers, lakes, and the ocean. These are the types of aquaculture. We have the pond culture, cage culture, recirculating system, and mariculture, also known as marine culture. Fish capture technology involves catching aquatic animals. Fishing vessels primarily load and discharge cargo in ports and serve as transportation at sea. Capture fisheries target fish, prawns, lobsters, crabs, mollusks, and other aquatic organisms. India, with its extensive marine and inland resources, is the world's third-largest inland fish producer. Fishery, the practice of rearing and maintaining fish for consumption and industrial purposes. Fisheries are crucial for a balanced diet and involve fishing in natural waters or maintaining aquatic pollution. Republic Act No. 10,654 Section 107. There are 5 types of aquatic pollution, and these are the chemical pollution, biological, thermal, plastic, and sediment pollution. Aquatic pollution. Pollution of aquatic environments is illegal under this code. Administrative liability, fines of 300,000 pesos to 500,000, plus 15,000 pesos per day until the violation stops and fines are paid. Additional penalties may include cease and desist orders, facility closure or suspension, and water supply disconnection. Criminal conviction, imprisonment from 6 years and 1 day to 12 years, fines double the administrative amount, plus 15,000 pesos per day, until compliance. Cease and desist orders and facility closures can be issued pending case resolution. Rule 107.1 Technical Committee Functions. First, assess environmental harm, health hazards, and obstruction to aquatic activities. Second, evaluate damage for penalty imposition and rehabilitation. Third, monitor compliance with rehabilitation plans. Rule 107.2 Technical Committee Composition. Representatives from DENR's Environmental Management Bureau, Philippine Coast Guard Marine Pollution Unit, NFARMC, NFRDI, and an academic representative. Members receive travel allowance, honorarium, and per diem. Experts may be invited to assist. Noncompliance with good aquaculture practices. Republic Act No. 10,654 Section 112. Fishery operations compliance. Fish breeding and farming must adhere to good aquaculture practices and environmentally sound guidelines set by the department. Penalties for violations. Administrative liability, fines of 10,000 to 100,000 pesos per day until compliance and payment. Criminal conviction, imprisonment for 3 years and fines double the administrative amount. Rule 112.1 Noncompliance. Noncompliance includes 50% mortality of cultured fish in an aquaculture zone, poisoning of wild fish, widespread contamination by pests and diseases, aquatic pollution as defined by the code. Use of fine mesh net. Republic Act No. 10,654 Section 93. prohibition on fine mesh nets. It is illegal to use fishing nets with mesh sizes smaller than those specified by the department. Exceptions are allowed for catching specific small, mature species fry, glass eels, elvers, tabios, and alamang. Penalties for violations. Discovery of a fine mesh net on a vessel presumes illegal use. Administrative penalties. Confiscation of catch and gear, fines. 20,000 pesos for municipal fishing community service if unpaid. 50,000 pesos for small-scale commercial fishing. 100,000 pesos for medium-scale commercial fishing. 200,000 pesos for large-scale commercial fishing. Criminal penalties. Imprisonment of 6 months to 2 years. Fines twice the administrative amount. Confiscation of catch and gear. Rule 93.1, Exceptions. 4. Fine mesh nets are allowed with specific licenses for A. Catching immature species for culture, for example, Bangus fry, Sugpo fry. B. Aquarium, ornamental animals. C. Small mature species, for example, alamang, tabios, dillis. 5. Use in-ring nets, purse seines, and bagnets for sardines, mackerels, and scads, with a mesh size of 1.9 centimeters, ensuring no juvenile fish are caught. Fishing and Overexploited Fishery Management Areas, Republic Act No. 10,654 Section 94, Fishing in Overexploited Areas. Fishing in declared overexploited fishery management areas is illegal. Penalties for violations. Administrative penalties. Confiscation of catch and gear, fines. Municipal fishing, 3 times the catch value or 20,000 pesos, whichever is higher. Community service if unpaid. Small-scale commercial fishing, 5 times the catch value or 100,000 pesos, whichever is higher. Medium-scale commercial fishing, 5 times the catch value or 300,000 pesos, whichever is higher. Large-scale commercial fishing, 5 times the catch value or 500,000 pesos, whichever is higher. Criminal penalties. Imprisonment of 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Fines of 500,000 to 5 million pesos. Confiscation of catch and equipment. Cancellation of fishing permit or license. Rule 94.1, Scientific Basis. DON FRDI and BFAR, along with stakeholders and LGS, will conduct ongoing resource assessments to determine and declare overexploited fishery management areas.